So my neighbors keep asking me when I'm gonna cut my grass. So what do you guys think? Let me show you real quick. I mean, it's not that bad, right? It's not that bad. Not that bad at all. At least I don't think so. Look at these little guys right here. What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have a special kind of gadget, a gadget that every homeowner in the country should have. And I'm talking about, yes, I'm talking about a lawnmower, but not just any lawnmower, because you know how we do it here on the channel. We can't just get any regular gas power lawnmower. We have to electrify it and get a electric lawnmower. So without further ado, let me show you what I picked up at Best Buy. All right, so what we're looking at here is the Greenworks Ultra Pro combo kit. This is a 3-piece combo. It comes with the lawnmower, the blower, and the trimmer, a 4.0 amp hour battery with rapid charging. Just wanted to mention this real quick. I picked this up at Best Buy. I think they're currently $300 or $400 off, not quite sure. But if you go ahead and buy their membership plus for $50, you get an additional $100 off. So this thing all in all came out to about like just shy of $700. I think like $700 or $600 for all three of these components here, which is absolutely fantastic. A regular lawnmower itself will cost you about $500 to $600 right now. So picking this up, all three, great deal. Link will be in the description below. If you want to go ahead and capitalize on that deal yourself, you most definitely can. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you what I got here. This is everything you're gonna get in the box. You're gonna get the lawnmower, the trimmer, the blower, battery, the accessories to the trimmer, the charger, bag, and the accessories to the lawnmower. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble all these. It shouldn't be too bad of an assembly process since they're already pretty much put together. You just gotta kind of snap stuff back in place. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then get back with you guys. All right, we're done assembling the blower, trimmer, and lawnmower. Overall, it took about 10-15 minutes. It's not too hard. It's very simple. I didn't even look at the instructions. You pretty much got to tighten up like 2 or 4 bolts and you're good to go. 2 bolts on the lawnmower and 2 bolts for the trimmer just to put the reflector shield on, and that's about it. Ain't nothing better than that. Super simple, super easy. So without further ado, let's take a look at these bad boys. All right, we're done with the assembly of the lawnmower. Like I said, super easy, it's super good. Now, one thing I did notice compared to the other ones, this is a single battery one. I've seen some that have 2. I don't know why this one only has 1, but that's okay because that battery can give you enough juice to mow the front and backyard. I'm only going to use it for my front yard. My front yard is not relatively big, but it should, I think 60 minutes of yard work is what it says on the box, which is a lot. It does come with some additional accessories. It comes with your mulching plug. Now your mulching plug is for you guys who like to leave your clippings and mulch in the ground. So this is super simple to install. You remove your bagging here, and then you just take your mulch plug here and kind of just place it in here, and then close this, and now all your clippings and mulch will stay in the lawn itself. I don't mulch, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. And applying the bag, everything is simple with this bag. You just kind of go like that and place it. Now let's flip this around here real quick. Now here to the side, you can go ahead and attach this attachment here. And what this attachment is going to allow you to do, if I can attach it right, actually attaches right there, like so. Now this attachment, what is it going to allow you to do if you don't want to mulch, is going to put it off to the side. I don't know anybody who uses this. Me myself are probably not going to use this, so I'm just going to go ahead and take that off and leave that aside. Now this is a steel deck, so it is just like a regular lawnmower. It's not made of plastic. Obviously this is right here on top. You do have 7 levels of height, which is absolutely fantastic, and it's super simple to adjust the height. Just one single level pull, and you can go ahead and adjust to whatever level you want to cut your lawn. Other than that, this thing looks fantastic, feels good, very solid, super easy to store. You do have these pull tabs that kind of let you adjust your handle width, and if you want to store it, this thing snaps like that. You can take the bag off with this bad boy like this, and then just store it like so in your garage or shed. Let's take a look at the bottom right here while we have this open like this. Single blade here. You can get different blades if you want for these. I'm gonna go ahead and just leave this blade here for a while, but looks good. Don't think it wobbles, looks pretty good. So without further ado, let's go ahead and put this like this, place it like that, and take a look at these settings here. Now we're looking at right now is the handles. So this is single lever pull. This one, it doesn't matter which one you pull, it activates this. This one, left or right. This is your speed adjustment if you want to go slower. Obviously the turtle for slower, rabbit for fast, or faster. It is self-propelled, so you can go ahead and adjust your speed of that. Your battery life indicator here. The turbo button, if you need more juice or anything like that to get this bad boy going, you're going to hit the turbo button. It's going to ramp up the RPMs, giving you the maximum horsepower you can get from these bad boys. The start button, I think you need to hold that, hit the start button, or hit the start button and this, and then it kicks on. So without further ado, the battery is charging right now, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at the other components, and we're going to get, I'll give you a little test run. Obviously, you've seen my lawn, it doesn't look that great. I'll mow it and give you a end result on how this bad boy performs. All right, so what we have here is the blower itself. Now, the blower is very light with battery. It also light, pretty big. You do have a turbo button here as well, just like the lawnmower, which is pretty cool. And then you have the trigger here with the lock. If you want to go ahead and just lock it, you see how right here, and then you can go ahead and release the lock by pressing, and just it releases the trigger here. This is the trigger lock. You don't have to go ahead and be pressing it all this time, and just go ahead and remove it and you're good. The battery goes back here. Overall, good looking blower here. The blowhole is pretty big, so you're gonna get a lot of power. It does come with a strap here if you want to strap this to your shoulder, so alleviate some of that weight. You absolutely can. And that is the blower itself. Now let's take a look at the trimmer right here. The trimmer absolutely looks fantastic. It is pretty light, but with the battery might get some weight back here, but it does come with the handle right there. You can kind of pick this up, hit either of these triggers here to activate the trimmer portion right here, and you're good to go. You can store this. This comes apart here. It just has a little push pin here, and this comes off. This is torque drive. Pretty good looking head. Let's take a look at the head right here. The trimmer head, it is dual blades. As you can see, you do dual blades. Dual string here trimmer, just like your typical other ones, and then you kind of turn it. It does have the cutout right there. Nothing too special about this. It's just overall good trimmer. That is the length of the rod. I think they say it's 13-inch trimmer. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and use this bad boy and see how it does. It is a good looking trimmer, very nice, sturdy Greenworks Pro trimmer. And there you have it with all three of these bad boys right here. We have the trimmer, the blower, and the lawnmower right there, which can go bad with that bad boy right there. And as you can see, take a look at the status of my lawn. Is absolutely in shambles right now because I threw away my gas powered lawnmower to pick one of these bad boys up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to mowing. All right, so overall, I'm very impressed with this combo setup. The blower is an absolutely beast. That thing is super powerful. The Greenworks lawnmower, absolutely amazing. It works fine. Nothing wrong with it. It can handle pretty much anything you can throw at it. It had some very tall grass right here. It just went through it like no problem. And the trimmer itself did its thing. Obviously, there's better trimmers than that one from Greenworks, but I think this one for a regular homeowner is just perfectly fine. This is the perfect starter kit if you just got your very first home and you're looking for some gardening lawnmower tools. These are perfect three-piece combo set for you. Even if you're looking to replace your old ones, this thing's good for you. As you can see, it did pretty good in my opinion. Cut the grass pretty good. The only thing that I didn't do with it is edge, because I don't know how to edge with that quite just now, but I'm going to be practicing. But other than that, everything looks fantastic. Worked fantastic. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.